SpotGamma's new tool, Compass, helps traders find both trade ideas and trade direction. Powered by the most sophisticated options data feeds available, Compass highlights if the name you're trading has expensive or cheap options and a bullish or bearish setup. Specifically, Compass's guided view helps traders identify current changes from historical norms. Compass is divided into halves along both axes, forming 4 quadrants. The upper half illustrates if volatility is expensive, indicating traders might want to look to sell options, while the lower half signifies cheap volatility, showcasing long option trade potential. Along the left-hand side, Compass highlights if a stock might be oversold with the potential for upside directional bias, and on the right side, we see downside bias. To start using Compass, we recommend following these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add stocks of interest from your SpotGamma watch list or manually to Compass. Step 2. Identify cost and direction using Compass to determine expensive or cheap and bullish or bearish. Step 3. Confirm your trade using other SpotGamma tools. To illustrate how this works, let's take a look at a recent example with AT&T using the ticker T. After a broader market pullback, AT&T was down over 5% from recent highs. Whether you actively follow the stock or stumbled on it in your newsfeed, you can use Compass's guided view to check the positioning for T. Now let's apply our 3-step process. Step 1. Using our watch list, we can populate Compass for a variety of tickers or simply add them manually. Step 2. For AT&T, the ticker T presents in the upper left quadrant of Compass, closer to the center axis, with a high IV rank of 60.99 and a light bullish bias. Next, in step 3, we expand to other SpotGamma tools, starting by checking the support and resistance levels within Equity Hub. In alignment with Compass, Equity Hub shows multiple signs of support. This includes the strongest SpotGamma support level, the put wall, residing at 26 positive gamma bars and the key gamma strike just below it at 24.50. These levels help confirm the long thesis and provide confidence that a bullish positioning is in place. Additionally, now that we've identified our trade bias for T, we are ready to structure our trade. While some traders may choose to do something very simple like buy the stock, others may choose to do something slightly more sophisticated by putting on a multi-leg options spread. So if you plan to trade options, you can check the SpotGamma volatility dashboard to see if the strikes you plan to trade are ideal based on their specific costs. Again, in the case of T, we see that the green here reflects higher options prices and suggests that selling put spreads would be a better approach than buying a call spread. Over the next 3 days, T recovered 6% to a price of $27.28 on March 10th, providing a strong return for a sold put spread. So this example demonstrates how to use SpotGamma's newest tools to trade AT&T. Number 1, we first entered the ticker T into Compass. Number 2, T was positioned in the upper left quadrant, highlighting expensive volatility and a bullish direction. Number 3, SpotGamma's Equity Hub and Volatility Dashboard both reflected elevated options volatility and specific strike selection. Thanks for watching, and we hope this walkthrough helped you see the incredible power and potential in Compass and SpotGamma indicators that can give you an edge when constructing new trades.